Hey there, folks. If you're a Discover cardholder looking to deposit a check without stepping foot in a bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of depositing a check using the Discover mobile app. It's quick, convenient, and saves you tons of time, perfect for our busy lives. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need the Discover mobile app installed on your smartphone. Download it from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Also, ensure you're logged into your account and have your check on hand. Don't forget to endorse the back of the check by signing it. That's a crucial step to avoid any issues. Now, let's get to the fun part. Open the Discover app and head to the main dashboard. Look for the Deposit a Check option, which is usually under the Accounts or Services tab. Once you tap on it, the app will guide you through the process. Next, you'll need to take clear photos of your check. Position your check on a flat surface with good lighting to make sure the app can read it properly. The app will prompt you to snap a photo of the front and the back. Follow the on-screen instructions to align the check correctly. Aim for sharp images to prevent any errors. After you've taken the photos, review the details on the next screen. Double-check the amount, the payee, and your account information to ensure everything matches. If it all looks good, hit the Submit button. The app will process your deposit, and you'll get a confirmation notification once it's done. One quick tip. If you run into any problems, like the app not recognizing the check, try adjusting the lighting or cleaning the check if it's worn. And remember, deposits might take a day or two to clear, so keep an eye on your account. There you have it. That's how easy it is to deposit a check with the Discover mobile app. Give it a try next time and wave goodbye to long bank lines. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.